Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Photoshop content for automated generative workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Photoshop application. Create a new document or open an existing project that you want to backup. Go to the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. Select Save As from the drop-down options. Choose a secure location on your computer where you want to save the backup. Name the file appropriately to easily identify your project later. Select the file format that suits your needs, such as PSD for preserving layers. Click Save to create the backup copy of your content. Next, consider creating a cloud backup for added security. Log into your preferred cloud service, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Upload your saved Photoshop file to this cloud service. Ensure that the upload is complete and check the file integrity. Now, to automate your workflow, open the Photoshop Scripts menu. Navigate to File, then Scripts, and select Script Editor. Here, you can write or import scripts that streamline your tasks. Make sure your scripts are compatible with the version of Photoshop you are using. Next, test the scripted commands to ensure they function correctly. Then, save these scripts in a designated folder for easy access. Set up a process for version control by naming your files systematically. Use timestamps or version numbers in your file names for clarity. Regularly backup your project files to keep your work safe and up to date. Consider scheduling weekly reminders for backups if you work on long-term projects. Finally, document your workflows to maintain consistency and share with team members. This complete guide ensures that all your Photoshop content is backed up efficiently for automated generative workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.